There is nothing worse than turning the key and hearing the engine crank over and over without even a hint of starting. If you have scanned your car and found code P064A, you have found the culprit, the fuel pump control module. In the old days, fuel pump was just on or off. Today, modern vehicles use a dedicated computer module to regulate the voltage sent to the pump, allowing it to speed up or slow down depending on how hard you're pressing the gas pedal. This code tells you that the main computer, the PCM, has lost contact with that fuel pump module or has detected a malfunction within it. This is why your car will not start or is experiencing severe hesitation. The engine literally does not know how much fuel to ask for. Before you spend hundreds of dollars on a new fuel pump, stop. The pump itself might be perfectly fine. Your first step should be to look for the fuel pump shutoff switch, sometimes called an inertia switch. If you hit a big pothole or bumped into something, this switch might have tripped, cutting power to the module. It is usually a simple button you press to reset. If that is not it, you need to check the basics. Grab your digital multimeter and check the fuses and relays related to the fuel pump. Then, find the module itself. It is often located near the fuel tank or sometimes in the trunk area. You want to check for battery voltage reaching the module and, just as importantly, a solid ground connection. A loose or rusty ground wire is a silent killer for these electronic modules. Also, look closely at the module casing for any signs of water damage or corrosion, especially if it is mounted under the vehicle. If the wiring checks out, you are likely looking at a failed module that needs replacement. Just be aware, many of these replacement modules need to be programmed to your car before they will work, so keep that in mind before you install it.